Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by No Money Stocks. Today is Friday, March 23rd, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market today, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 2.5 points. Right now, the futures really are basing sideways. We just had some durable good orders out. There's also lots of stocks in the news, so let's get started there and let's focus on trying to make some money. First stock we're going to take a look at today is going to be Nike. NKE is the ticker symbol here. Stock reported earnings last night after the closing bell. Finished the day yesterday at $64.42. It is now trading at $67.12. So this is a good little pop here for Nike. We'll see where it goes. Again, you have a lot of resistance around that $68 level on the daily chart, but if you could get through there, the stock actually has some room to run. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, don't do much here. We will be looking at this closer once the opening bell rings today. So again, Nike on the radar, but it is up ahead of the opening bell so far. Let's take a look at KB Home. KBH is the ticker symbol here. This stock's also catching a pretty good bid today. Closed at $28.84, now trading at $30.80. So KB Home on the move, and this is a pretty good move overall. Yesterday after hours, the stock did slip all the way down to $26, then rebounding back up, and now it is at positive. It is positive and at new highs. So again, KB Home holding up pretty well. I don't know if it has a lot more upside from here. I don't expect it to, but hey, you never know. Stocks like this, you want to give them the benefit of the doubt whenever you can. So again, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. Let's take a look at Micron Technologies. Ticker symbol is MU. Stock right now is trading at $57.20. Closed at $58.92. So Micron down a little bit. Not a big deal. The stock was down much more earlier. Now it's just down a touch. So we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings as well. The only problem I see with Micron is that when you look at more of a weekly and monthly chart, it's just overbought. But that doesn't mean it can't trade higher. The trend is still up, and we'll see where it goes once the opening bell rings. But I don't have a play on it just yet, but we will look for an intraday pattern. Now, earlier today, there was a little rumor out here regarding Target and Kroger merging. That rumor has come out and is told now that it is false. But if you take a look at Kroger today, you've had some wild movement there. Kroger spiking up to $26.50, now trading back down to $24.40. So again, Kroger has pulled back, but it's still positive on the day. So this could be in play a little bit today. We'll see if some more rumors come out, but the rumor was that Target and Kroger were going to merge. If you take a look at Target, you'll see similar type action, big spike up. Now it's come back in a little bit. All in all, this is rumored. This rumor is now a false rumor. It looks like sources are saying that this is not the case. So we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. But again, we're going to keep both of those on the radar today. We're going to be watching those closely. Now, earlier we talked about Micron. Anytime you talk about a big chip stock like that, you got to take a look at Intel. Intel also upticking just a little bit here. Stock closed at $50.83. It got a little bit up there, and then now it has started to slip back. So we'll keep that on the radar. You also want to keep Applied Materials on the radar too. Sometimes that will move with Micron as well. Not doing much here, but you can see how it's trading somewhat in tandem, just like Intel at the moment. So we'll keep those on the radar today. Let's take a look at Cintas. CTAS is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $165. This stock closed yesterday at $163.11. So you got a little bit of an uptick. It really had a nice spike all the way above 171. However, it has come back down. So not much we're going to do here. I don't really see Cintas breaking down to new lows at the moment, but again, we'll keep it on the radar. If there's something to do, we will talk about it and hopefully get to trade it. Square is in the news today. I believe they got downgraded. Stock right now is trading at $53.97, closed at $55.16. So a good little downgrade there for Square. This stock really, there's nothing wrong. It's just overbought and maybe getting a little stretched on the charts. Anytime that happens, it needs to pull back in. So again, we'll look at that one once the opening bell rings, and we'll see where we go from there. So again, that's what we're seeing right now as far as stocks go, and we will be looking at a few others once the opening bell rings today. Let's shift gears here a little bit. You have a huge move in gold today. GLD really spiking higher. Spot gold right now trading at $13.46 an ounce, and that's up about $19 on spot. So again, gold getting a big move on the back of a weaker dollar. Right now the GLD trading around 127.65. This closed at 125.98. So this is a big pop for gold. Now if the dollar catches a bid, gold will come back down. So just remember, gold and the dollar are trading inverse to each other, and that is a long-standing relationship that we've been watching for years and years. So again, the dollar weaker today. Take a look at the dollar chart. You'll see that is down and gold is up, and that's the way that works. Let's take a look at crude oil today. Crude oil up 42 cents to $64.73 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, that's a good ETF to track the movement in crude oil. That is trading at $13.07 a share on the USO. Crude oil right now, again, is trading at $64.73 a barrel. So all in all, crude oil is up a little bit, gold is up big, and we'll see what else this market has to offer. Now, the last few Fridays, we've seen the markets get defended on a Friday. Today is going to be pretty interesting. I'm not so sure that will happen, but again, we'll watch these charts and we'll let these charts tell us what to do, but it's going to be a pretty important day. Futures right now up of a 1.25 points, 1.5 points, and again, we'll see how it plays out once this opening bell rings. But it's going to be a very, very interesting Friday, and we'll see where we get. But lots of stocks in the news. We've had lots of great trading trades in the day trading sector here, and we'll see what we get today. Again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. Day trading has just been sensational. Hopefully we have another great day like that today. With that being said, everybody have a great session, and we'll see you on the charts.